During World War II, many young Mexican Americans were declaring their independence, wearing long hair and outfits called zoot suits, and adopting Spanglish slang called caló. In 1949, a Mexican-American hipster, Don Tosti, created a landmark in Chicano music, a mix of boogie-woogie, bebop, and caló, called Pachuco Boogie.
El boogie. ¿Ese dónde la lleva, pues?
Pues si no voy, vengo del paciente, ves un lugar.
That was me, because I was not a singer. I'm not a singer, I'm a writer. And I said, yeah, baby. Man, like I'm coming from El Paso, Texas, baby. That's where the Pachucos like me come, man. I came here to Califa, to LA, man, to buy some crazy threads, because, man, they make them out of sight here.
A veces venga, porque quiero que me cante, ve, quiero que le haga muerte al alba, ve.